Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to stop ChatGPT from saving your chat history. So there's a feature called temporary chats, or you might be familiar with what it's called on other platforms being incognito mode. And basically what this does is it's a mode or a switch that you can turn on, and that makes it so that any data from your chat history or chat logs won't be saved. And it's really easy to enable it, so simply sign into ChatGPT as I've done so here, and click on the button at the top right of your screen. As you can see, when I hover over it, it says turn on temporary chat. So I'm going to click on that. And here's a quick overview of what it is. Basically, anything is not in its history, memory is off, and there's no model training. So pretty much what I just said earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And now it says temporary chat is here. So this chat won't appear in your chat history and won't be used to train our models. So I can ask it to handle maybe some sensitive prompts, and that way I'll be sure that my privacy is safe. So it's really that easy. And just click on that same button if you want to turn it off. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.